In VLOOKUP function, we know how to return the values which are present in another sheet, but sometimes, we need more than one values to be returned. That means there are multiple columns which we want from master sheet to come in our reporting sheet. So in that case, do we write those many VLOOKUP functions? We need not. We can actually use VLOOKUP as an array function. So we are going to see that here as an example. I am choosing the transaction sheet where I will be writing VLOOKUP. And from the master sheet, what do I need? I need address as well as city of the customers. So that means 2-column data is required. So when 2-column data is required, there is a way how we can write VLOOKUP function. For older version, I am discussing this method first. Here, since my result will require 2 cells, I am selecting 2 cells here. Then here I start writing the VLOOKUP function equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket, lookup value is the mobile number on the basis of which we are searching. And you know why we have taken mobile number, because that's a unique value in our data. Putting a comma, table array is in the master. We must start the selection from the common column, that is mobile number, up till the place you need the data. So I have selected up till city, comma. If you want, you can also make this cell addresses fixed if you are working with the data range. So in that case, put a $ with the cell addresses so that it becomes a fixed location. Now, here is the catch. Third argument, which is the column index number, decides what all result is going to be returned through VLOOKUP. So generally we give one column index number, but here we are looking for 2 values. So we write those 2 column index number closed in curly brackets. So I'm using the opening bracket and then I'm writing, this is the 4th column in the selection, address, and 5th column is the city. So 4, 5, curly brackets closed, and then comma for the 4th argument, 0 for the exact match, and I am closing the bracket. But if you're working with the older versions, then in that case, don't press enter. You will have to press Control-Shift-Enter. So as you press Control-Shift-Enter, you will notice that the 2-cell result has been returned by VLOOKUP function, and now you can use it for rest of the records. Since this mobile number is not present in my master, so I get to see a #MA in this case. So that's how, if you're looking for multiple values from a master sheet, then you don't have to write VLOOKUP function that many times, keep on copying it. No, not at all. You can write it as an array function. Had it been the newer version, then it spills the result automatically. I will show you that, because this method of Control-Shift-Enter was for the older version. And what we can do here, I'm writing equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, then master, this is the table array, comma, curly brackets, 4, 5 is the result required, curly brackets closed, comma, 4th argument is exact match, 0, bracket closed. And this time I'm not pressing Control-Shift-Enter, just an enter. So there also my result is coming. Reason, I am working with Excel 365. So that is updated with the dynamic array functions. So you don't have to press Control-Shift-Enter explicitly to specify that this is an array function. But remember, if you're working with the previous versions, then you use Control-Shift-Enter to make it an array function. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video.